In previous video we already saw the sensor and actuators having an arrow in front of that. Now we see the mouse sensor. What is actually a mouse sensor? So come towards our Blender game engine. I open that. This is the front page of Army Forest game. This is our start game palette. Okay. Now I show the actuators and sensor. So see our two mouse sensor. These are connected to the hand controller. Another is also mouse over means the mouse pointer over the start game palette. Okay, this palette. So if I press the mouse left button, then the scene changes to game scene, and mouse visibility is invisible means if I press left button our mouse pointer is invisible. Okay, I start the game. If I press button, then our game start and mouse is invisible. Now we see delay and edit object actuator. This is our simple setup. See below our delay sensor and edit object actuator. This is plain, empty, and in next layer this is a box. Okay, our box is character. Okay, now what is actually delay? So delay is equals to 60 is equals to 1 second. Okay, in 1 second our signal passes to the edit object actuator. After 1 second I kept there add object, and what is the object? Our cube. I select the cube here. Okay, cube is our in next layer. This is a cube. Now I press the button P. After 1 second, see what happens. After 1 second the box is spawned there. And what is, and see the magic now. After 2 seconds one box is added here. Okay, now see the magic. If I kept 0 here, then see the magic. Oh, what happens here? See, too many cubes are here because I doesn't keep the time there. Skip is equals to 0. Now end object, delay and end object. After delay of 1 second, see our delay is 60 means 1 second. After 1 second our cube will be vanished. See, instead of 60 I kept 30 value. In half second cube will vanished. Okay, this is our edit object. Okay, so this is our add object actuator, and below that I kept the message. If our object is add, then message MMM is sent to this empty. Okay, and this empty receives this message MMM. This is our sending message, this is receiving message MMM. Okay, this is connected to the controller and sound. Now see the sequence. After 2 seconds our object is add, message is sent, message is received, and sound will be start. Now see, after 2 seconds block add and sound is start here. Game sound. We saw the message sensor Now we see ray and radar sensor. Now we enter in game scene. This is main layer. Okay, in this layer these cubes are our two sensor. So this is tunnel sensor and upper one is obstacle. Okay, in middle window you can see the ray sensor. So now you have the one question, what is mean by ray sensor? Ray sensor means into the ray sensor we set the direction of minus z axis. Now here I set minus z axis direction means negative blue, means if any object come under this sensor, then sensor sends the object and passes the signal. Okay, I set the range is equals to 10, means 10 blocks under the cube. Okay, and property A, this is the sensing object which have been sensed by sensor. If sensor sends after and controller, the message is sent as A, means our message is A. In another layer, A is the sensing object sensed by the sensor. A is the sensing object. Now see what happens after sending the message. Now see, the message is received here. Okay, you can see the path, message, controller and action. If the message comes, then action comes in the role. Now what is the action? See, this is the dope sheet, and if I move the slider left and right, then see what happens. See, our obstacles moves up and down. Okay, this is the action. If the message comes, the action plays our role. This is timeline. These yellows are the keyframes. See, I move the slider left and right, then see the action takes place. And the action names are here. We set the specific names to the specific actions. Okay, and these specific actions name we will kept here, means which type of action we have to run into the game. Now in easy language, if message A comes, action plays our role. Now you can see in the game, if the obstacle sensed by the sensor, then the action takes place. Now see the remaining sensor and actuators. See the random number, sensor and actuator. I will show you this 10 number. So see, for 10 number I set the random actuator. Okay, random actuators, and the random numbers are from 0 to 8. This is our text property. Okay, I set the property, and this property I kept into this random actuator. So if I play, random numbers are there, 3, 5, I lost. Okay, 3, 8. See, these are the random number from 0 to 8. Okay, and sensor property. If the value is 0, value is equals to 0, value is equals to 2, then the different messages are sent. See, messages 0. This is sound, bird sound. See, if property is equals to 2, then the sound is arrow sound. Okay, now see, and different numbers, different objects are spawned there. Arrow, car. Okay, our objects are spawned by these empties. If 0 is there, our arrow is spawned. If 1 is there, our car is spawned. If 3, lion. 4, monkey. Okay. Now come towards visibility. This is the simple setup. Our keyboard is sensor and visibility is actuator. If I press spacebar, then our visibility is on. If I uncheck that, then see, I press spacebar, it become invisible. Okay, space invisible. Okay, according to this, we saw the all sensors and actuators from the Blender game engine. So by using this sensor and actuator, I make the 3 games. Okay, no need of any programming language, by using only the logic bricks. So please like our video and subscribe our channel. So see you again and namaskar.